Hi everyone, here I have an LG direct drive washing machine that the water's not pumping out of. Now I checked the obvious things like the filter here. You can hear the pump running, but it's just not pumping out water. It sounds very rough too when it runs. I'll just put it on there just so you can listen. And there's no water coming out of the hose here, as you can see. Okay, so to me there's something actually stuck in the pump, so I'll just show you how to repair that, okay? So I'll just turn off this machine again, power it off. We plug out the appliance as well, okay? To keep things safe. So we are going to find the plug, which is here. Okay, plug it out. Don't forget that. Okay, to access the pump, you have to come around the back of the machine here. Okay, so you have your back panel. It's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt the machine forward a bit just to make it easier to get into the pump. So what I usually do is take out the soap drawer, okay, and I usually stick a tea towel just out in here, because when I'm tilting it forward, that water won't come out onto the machine or onto the board. Okay, so I'm just going to stick it in there, and that way we won't have water coming out of the machine. Okay, just to stop water coming out here and running along on the board, you know. Okay, so now I'm going to tilt the machine forward, not completely, just a bit. I've got my trolley. If you don't have a trolley, you can just put it on a box or something like that. Just makes life that bit easier. So I'm just going to tilt that. Okay, I'm going to put it down flat like so. I'm going to grab my Phillips head screwdriver here, take off my 4 screws. Keep the screws safe, you'll need them again. Now my suspicion is there's something stuck in the pump. As I say, I opened the filter in the front and nothing came out. The water ain't pumping out, but the pump is running. So it's either a faulty pump or there's something stuck in there. It sounds to me like there's something stuck in there, but we'll take a look anyway. Okay, keep the screw safe, as I say. Okay, that's your 4. You just remove your back panel. Just lifts up from the bottom. Okay, put it away. Like so. Okay, this here is your direct drive motor, believe it or not. No belt. Okay, anyway, that's nothing to do with the problem here. That's your element, just to give you a little, while I have it off to show you. The pump is down here, see just there. Okay, 2 wires going to it, doesn't matter what way they go on after, okay. Now there's also a chance there could be something stuck in the sump hose here, which joins onto the drum and makes its way down to the pump. We'll check the pump first, and if the pump is clear, we'll check the sump hose, okay? But it sounds like there's something stuck in the pump to me. So you need your Phillips head screwdriver again. You have 3 screws holding on the pump. Sometimes it's a good idea to mark the pump. I'd say draw a line here, and just maybe up here, and draw a line on this, just so you know where it goes on after, you know. I know what way it goes back on anyway, but look, if you feel better or more comfortable doing that, maybe just draw a line, okay? I'm just going to grab another phone I have just to give me a bit more light. The torch part of it, so you can be shining some bit. A bit better anyway, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to take off my 3 screws. You've one on one side here. See my screwdriver there? One in the middle here, and one on the other side over here. Okay, take off your 3 screws. Okay, loosen them off. Anti-clockwise to open them. Okay, that's one open there now, loosened off. You don't have to take them off completely, just loosen them. Okay, I'll bring into the second fella here, like so. Sorry, now the camera work mightn't be great. It's trying to hold the phone and get in there at the same time. It can be tricky. That's 2, okay. And finally the other one's on the inside in here, which is the hardest one to get his ass really, but my torch over here makes hopefully see us better. Okay. The torch screw's just in behind here, you can't really see it on the camera. Okay. Actually it's loose as it is, that screw, which is good. I must have loosened it off another time, or someone must have. Anyway, as you can see, there's something stuck in there. Look at that. What is that? That is like a lace or something, after tearing off a hoodie or a tracksuit pants or something. That's what was stuck in the pump. Put that away. We'll put the pump back on again. Okay. Tighten her up. And we'll see how we get on. See, there's no water come out this time. So we'll put on our pump again. Which way was it? Just for that. That's it. Okay. Like so. 1, 2 to 3 screws in there.